This evening, part one of a two-part story on a St. Elizabeth community still struggling to rebuild after being devastated by Hurricane Melissa. In the seaside community of Parottee, residents and businesses are still in limbo and in need of urgent help to shore up protection in the event of another powerful weather system. Krista Campbell has this primetime news update.
Everybody lose. Everybody, rich man, poor man, middle class, everybody lose.
Over 7 months since a Category 5 hurricane almost wiped Parottee from the map in St. Elizabeth, rebuilding has been slow and so has business. Portia Barnes says fish vendors got a raw deal.
See one of my freezer there in the mango. I lose 2 freezer of fish. That some certain time of the year, the sale is slow. So when the sale is slow and the fishermen them come in from sea, if you don't buy the fish or still take the fish, sometimes they will credit you. If you don't take the fish, when it comes to Christmas time, they're not gonna sell you. So we had to make preparation for the slow season.
She's still counting her losses.
When you buy 1,000 pounds of fish at that time would have cost you like 700,000. Since the hurricane, you pay more because the fishermen, them say they had to raise car, petrol raise and everything.
And fishing is not the only business sideswiped by the hurricane.
I used to do boat tour also, out by from here to fly Pelican Bars. And things really, I lose customer because when they came in, I'm not here and sometimes I don't have what to take them.
She says a colleague whose boat is back in operation helps her tour business even as she gets help to repair her boat. Others have not been so lucky.
October, I earn $1. And the little food where we usually get it actually finish.
Housing is also a major concern.
Lose window, door. The other house is totally destroyed. In my house, I lose about 4 windows and I lose 5 doors. And plus one of the room, the flooring cave in.
Austin Williams points to the house he called home still underwater. During the hurricane, the house was sandwiched by the pond which runs through the community and the Caribbean Sea. Mr. Williams laments rebuilding has been tough.
I cannot take no too much chance to live on the stone where the water there. Kind of properly dumped neither. You understand me? I say, to take that force of the building. So it's very chance to go over there and go live again.
He is still at a shelter in the community center along with a family of 4 with a desire to leave but no funds to do so. And even if there were,
if we get a grant for you build up a house, I don't have a first cent right now because situation take everything. Because we can't stay and eat. So that's the thing. It's very difficult to put back our house on the foot now. We're not strong.
A lot of people not even have land to build back on. The sea take away their land.
The hurricane season is starting and I am fretting, but by the grace of God, it's only Him can cover us.
Well, I kind of feel covered in myself right now for what we see happen. I don't want that to come back again. I don't want to see that happen again. I don't like see that in my own life again.
And Melissa done something where anybody can recover from. I don't think so. That experience is an unforgettable experience.
in part 2, we look at utilities and health concerns in Parottee. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.